If you have no idea how to unlock Samsung phone without losing your files, please check this video. Using the forgot pattern feature is also one of the easiest ways to remove a Samsung pattern lock without risking your files. Step 1. Draw the incorrect pattern a few times till you see the option of Forgot Pattern. Click on it to proceed. Step 2. Enter Google account information to log into your account unlock page. Tap Screen Unlock from the Settings menu and choose the lock you wish to use on the device. Step 3. Reset a new lock on your phone or decide not to include one. After changing the lock, you'll get back to the home screen. Find My Mobile is a handy feature for all Samsung users who have forgotten their screen password and want to bypass it. However, you are required to have logged into your account before it's locked. Step 1. Visit Find My Mobile site on any browser on your computer. Tap the Login option to access your account. Step 2. After that, proceed to the Unlock option. Follow the instructions to reset your PIN and unlock the device. ADB, also called Android Debug Mode, is a popular tool for removing a Samsung pattern lock without data loss. Step 1. Download the ADB on the PC, then run it. Download all the required packages on the computer. Step 2. Link the Samsung to a computer with a USB, then open the command prompt. Enter ADB shell RM, data, system, gesture, key command, then hit enter on your computer. Step 3. Reboot the Samsung device. You'll find the lock screen disabled temporarily. You should then be able to set up another lock you can remember before restarting it again. An easier and free way to unlock a Samsung phone is to boot it into safe mode. Step 1. Hold power key on your Samsung and release it when the power menu shows choose power off. Step 2. Tap OK when asked to reboot to safe mode. Once you confirm, the Samsung device will get into safe mode. Step 3. Find the third-party application locking your Samsung phone, then uninstall it. Reboot the phone and start using it without the lock screen.